Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com, and today we're going to talk about the Osaki 6000 massage chair, in particular the back and seat airbags. Now, every massage chair that I'm aware of has rollers that go up and down the back and airbags that will inflate on certain areas of the body, whether they're calves or seat or thigh or back or neck or shoulders or arms and hands. And the Osaki 6000 has airbags in various places. Today we're going to focus on the back and seat. So what you want to do, by the way, airbag massage is usually part of any automated, most of the chairs have a pre-programmed set of programs that you can push on, and you just push the button and bang, you've got a system of massage going on preset. Well, all of them include their airbag massage. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the manual setting of this chair so we can just turn on this one area so we can focus on that. So when you do that, you go to the remote control, you open up that little lid there, that little cover at the bottom of the remote. You can turn the chair on, it'll preset its position, and then you can push the back and seat button down here at the bottom of the massage, bottom of the remote control, and when you push that, you'll start to see immediately airbags inflating on the thighs. These are the iliotibial bands. They're this is the muscle that goes from your hip down to your knee. And if you've ever had back pain or hip pain or surgery or problems with your knee, this area of your spine is usually very tender. This airbag is fantastic for that. You'll see also that the seat is inflating. It's inflating on one side, then the other. And that is designed to give your hips some rotation. At the same time, airbags in the waist are inflating. And you can see those airbags. So it's a kind of a symphony of three different airbag areas that are being influenced by the airbag massage. The iliotibial band on the thigh, the seat and the buttock, and the waist on either side of the waist. Now, when you are getting a massage from airbags that have inflation on one side or the other, the effect is to induce rotation into the spine. Now, I'm a chiropractor by trade, and part of the chiropractic treatment is a low back adjustment, which is rotating the back from side to side. Massage chairs now are coming out with sophisticated airbags that will inflate one side of the hip and one side of the back, and then the other side of the hip and the other side of the back, trying to induce that rotation component that is so healthy for a low back. And so that is why I believe they have these side-to-side inflations of the airbags for the low back and the seat. But that's the airbag system for the seat. I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com. Feel free to call us at 801-417-8240 if you have any questions, or visit us on our website. Thanks.